Burton gang. We in the building. We in the building. We in the building. Gang. Gang. Gang, 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 gang. When I say Burton, y'all say gang. Burton.
Gang.
Burton.
Gang.
We in the building. We never going down. Time to way back to the crime.
Damn, she know how to cook her ass off. She is me up, okay? It's good. I cook my ass off. Yeah. Mashed potatoes, fried chicken, and cabbage. This is flavored rice right here. Salmon. And this is kale. So yeah. Flavored rice, salmon, and kale. Bitch, you know how to cook. Garlic bread, flavored rice with cheese on top, mixing it up, and salmon and greens. So yeah, you can make all kind of stuff. Look at garlic bread. Oh look, I love garlic bread. Okay, this is rice and gravy, homemade gravy with a little onions and bell pepper, and this is thigh. These are thighs down here, chicken thighs. I want to show the thighs again in case you ain't see. I ate some of it though, but this is good. But yeah, what meal do y'all pick out of all the videos that I posted of some of the stuff that I cook? What meal do you pick? Okay guys, so this is a salad. We got a whole bunch of veggies in there, and we got some turkey ham and fresh cucumbers out the garden. And yeah, I put black pepper and some ranch and crackers, Ritz for the side. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm back with another meal. I did a small meal this time because, you know. Okay, so this is macaroni and cheese and thigh. Chicken thigh. Macaroni and cheese and chicken thigh. Okay guys, so this is just like a little snack. Some Doritos down here. That's my finger. And we made our own little sauce or whatever. Look at it. Look at the cheese and all that stuff. So yeah, I mean, we made our own little dip for it. Dip it and stuff. You can dip, 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 dip. So yeah. Okay, now this is lasagna. No, hamburger helper. Okay, this is hamburger helper with salad, ham, and yeah. Now this here is chicken breasts, garlic mashed potatoes, and pinto ranch style beans, garlic mashed potatoes, and yeah. But yeah, that's yep. Now this here is gumbo, but we took it to another level. We added some butter, mashed potatoes, little corn, everything, and egg. Oh man. Now this time I got some crackers, Coke, and some gumbo, but we did it with a twist. We put corn in here, little bitty baby corn. Yes, honey. We put some shrimps, starchy. Yep. Taste it. Good. We did that good. Shrimps, honey. Oh, stacked on top of each other. Gang.
Burton gang. We in the building. We in the building. We in the building. Gang. Gang. Gang, 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 gang. When I say Burton, y'all say gang. Burton.
Gang.
Burton.
Gang.
We in the building. We never going down. Time to way back to the crime.